In this video we're going to change the battery to a VW28 key fob. It's a quite usually used key, so if you have something like this to a different model, the system is the same. So it's very simple. You have to push this button, so the key is going to be opened, and after that on this side you have to push on the outside. On this side we have to push on the outside, so this is going to be opened. See, very simple. And here the key is located. This is a CR2032 battery. It's quite easy to find on the internet, especially on Amazon, and it's easy to change. If you want to take this off, you have to push a little bit on this side, so the battery is going to slide a little bit. Come on, let's go. Something like this, yeah. See? I'm going to do this again so you can see it properly. Just slide it towards the key, slide it a little bit, and the battery is out. Simple as that. So the system is very simple. Just put the battery back. After you change it, obviously, put this back over here, press it, and that's it. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.